Yeah, so you should just measure this wall, get a center point, and then go across. It's the only way to really do it.
Yes, but show us where this picture's going to end.
Right, well, we have to do that by figuring out where the center
Right, we have to figure out.
Yeah, we have to.
That's how I was going to just do it, center it to the wall.
Okay.
How they set it up and how clear it was, what they were doing. Anyway, all morning we're talking to them.
We're going to throw it on the wall.
This is a cleat
Velcro.
that's attached to Velcro.
So a plexi cleat to Velcro, which then attaches to a plexi cleat and put it in the wall.
Now we will go up a little bit.
I will go with, okay. This is.
Yes. Yeah.
And let's go. Okay. Good? It looks good, and now we have room to push it this way. Okay.
This is, Eileen, it's great looking. What's going on?
Good from here with the legs.
Let's slide it up here. That's better. Now, we'll put up this. Wall.
Yeah.
I think it's fine, Dave. It gives you very much a sense of it being untethered. It's just a piece of paper hanging there. It'll straighten itself out.
That's amazing. Yeah, I just always imagine them all
All
standing
standing there
there,
like a
and then
No, they
moving the
never do
camera,
in
moving
any
the
of them.
camera.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
they do.
Yeah.
Camera on the
No,
stage.
of course.
No,
I had no
but they were all
idea. No
together the
idea.
day I did it.
They were all together? Oh,
Yes,
yeah. Oh,
but they were not in the room.
Yeah.
And it was before the mission council meeting and after.
The war room. In the embassy, and there were offices off of it, and each one was kind of a 10-foot square, little cubicle office like we have. Yeah. And he was given one of those to do his photograph. And that's where he did it.
Yeah, I knew if I got Abrams,
Everybody else was
that it would be all right. So if this is when you're coming out, I mean, I can't believe that I did this. I see, and some of four from them, right, and said, sorry, no photograph. And when he came along, I jumped out of the room, I thought it was a shot. Said, General, it'll just take a minute. You know, this is a portrait from the magazine. Stand right there. Where's the master bunker? The general is waiting. And got a master bunker. General Abrams just stands. The 8x10 camera plays an enormous part.
Yeah, because it's actually the witness standing there.
That's right. And it's also, it has much more dignity than I do. And so I'm here, and Bunker comes in, and then I realize that I have to have the two split figures.
Right.
Those people have to come twice, right?
Oh, right.
To be in both. So I said, this will be over tomorrow. And I think I did that. I did Abrams alone while I was waiting for Bunker, and then Bunker, and I said, thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah.
But in the drawing, I had their heights,
Yeah.
So I would know exactly where the camera goes. Once you start, you can't shift. No. Can't believe I did.
That's a great story.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
That was quick.
That was much better this time.
We're getting better.
It's practice.
So that's,
We're working on the mission council.